Welcome everyone to our channel. Hydration is key to maintaining overall health and well-being, but many of us find it challenging to drink enough water daily. Not to worry, we've got you covered with 10 simple strategies to boost your water intake and enjoy the benefits of proper hydration. Let's dive into these hydration tips. Determine your daily water intake goal based on factors like your weight, activity level, and climate. Setting a specific goal can motivate you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Keep a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. Having easy access to water makes it more likely that you'll drink it regularly, whether you're at work, running errands, or exercising. Start your day off right by drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. This helps rehydrate your body after a night's sleep and jumpstarts your metabolism. Use reminders on your phone or computer to prompt you to drink water at regular intervals throughout the day. This can be especially helpful if you tend to forget to hydrate. If plain water doesn't appeal to you, try adding natural flavors like lemon, cucumber, or mint. Infusing your water with fresh fruits and herbs can make it more enjoyable to drink. Drinking water through a straw can make it easier to consume larger amounts quickly. Opt for reusable straws to reduce waste and help the environment. Incorporate hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, and lettuce into your diet. These foods not only contribute to your overall water intake, but also provide essential nutrients. Keep track of how much water you drink each day using a journal or hydration tracking app. Monitoring your intake can help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. Make it a habit to drink a glass of water before each meal. Not only does this help you stay hydrated, but it can also aid digestion and prevent overeating. Set hydration goals for yourself and reward yourself when you reach them. Whether it's treating yourself to a small indulgence or simply acknowledging your achievement, celebrating your progress can help reinforce good habits. Remember, proper hydration is essential for energy, bodily functions, and overall health. Implement these tips to improve your hydration habits and feel the benefits. Start today for a healthier tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Click the link below for my most recommended ebook for health and well-being.